passion to feature on a mission. So I can't imagine how. I hope you're happy right now. Alfie, just say you're sorry. You can still be with the wizard. What you worked and waited for, you can have all you ever wanted. I know, but I don't want it. No, I can't want it anymore. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guesses. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try defying gravity. I'll think I'll try defying gravity, and you can pull me down. Can't I make you understand? You're having delusions of that I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says there's some things I cannot change, but till I try I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love as I run. Well, if that's love, it can't that much too high at all until I